Say something to Mommy.
Say, I love you.
I'm recording her.
She wants to see it. She knows it's on the other side.
Let's film you. Say hi, Mommy.
Sunday.
Want to do something cute? Mommy can watch this when she misses you.
Bark
Let me
like
see.
a
Watch.
doggy.
Say hi, Mommy.
Bark like a doggy.
Go get over with Mommy. It's like all her face because she's so close to me. Say hi. Soleil, who do you love? Mom?
Nemo's right there.
Soleil, say bye.